Surat al-Qalam, chapter of the pen. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate. Noon, by the pen and what they write, thou by the bounty of thy Lord art not mad. Verily, for thee is a reward rightfully thine, for thou art engaged in the mighty task. So thou wilt see, and they will see, which of you is the afflicted. Verily thy Lord knoweth best who errs from his way, and he knoweth best those who let themselves be guided. So do not obey those who count it false. They would like if thou wouldst dissimulate, and they would dissimulate. And do not obey any swearer contemptible, a maligner who goeth about with calumny, a hinderer of the good, evil disposed and guilty, gross but yet highly esteemed because he has wealth and children. When our signs are recited to him, he says, old world tales, we shall brown them on the snout. We have tried them as we tried the owners of the garden, when they vowed that they would reap it in the morning, making no exception. So one from thy Lord went round it while they slept, and in the morning it was as if it had been reaped. They called to each other in the morning, come early to your field, if ye are going to reap. So they set out, whispering to each other, let there not come into it upon you today any poor man. So they went early with purpose set. But when they saw it, they said, surely we are astray. Nay, we are debarred from the result. The most moderate one of them said, did I not say to you, why not give glory? They said, glory to our Lord. We have been wrongdoers. So they turned one to the other, blaming each other. They said, oh, alas, we have been presumptuous. It may be that our Lord will give us a better in its stead. Verily, towards our Lord is our desire. Such is the punishment. But if the punishment of the hereafter is greater, if they only knew, verily, those who show piety are with their Lord gardens of delight. Shall we then make the resigned like the sinners? What is the matter with you? How ye judge? Or have ye a book in which ye study? Surely in it ye have what ye think best. Or have ye guarantees from us reaching to the resurrection day? Surely ye have what ye judge. Ask them, which of them will assert that? Or have they associate gods? Let them produce their associate gods then, if they speak the truth. On the day when the legs shall be bared, and they are called to do obeisance, and are not able, downcast their looks, humiliation covers them, for they had been called to do obeisance while they were in health. So leave me with those who count this discourse false. I shall bear with them, for my craft is strong. We shall bring them step by step from whence they do not know. Or dost thou ask of them a hire, so that they with debt are weighed down? Or is the unseen with them, so that is they who write? Wait patiently then for the decision of thy Lord, and be not like him of the fish, when he called full of suppressed emotion. Had it not been that bounty from his Lord reached him, he would have been cast upon the desert in ignominy, he would have been cast upon the desert in ignominy, but his Lord chose him and set him among the upright. Lo, those who have disbelieved almost caused thee to stumble with their looks. Lo, those who have disbelieved almost cause thee to stumble with their looks when they hear the reminder, and they say, surely he is mad, but it is nothing short of a reminder to the worlds. Now, those last two verses are used as a prayer against insanity. This chapter has very peculiar use of the letters nun and meme in terms of their number connections. Same thing with other separated letters in those chapters. But this is the last of those chapters, and we'll see reasons why this can kind of be paired with the next one when we get to that.